Hey guys, it's Angela. I'm doing my battles again with a Dutch pour, and today I've got a 12 by 12 canvas. I'm going to do a split with Payne's Gray on the bottom and white on the top, and I will go through the rest of my colors as I put them on. Most of my colors are Amsterdam. And I mixed my paints beforehand, so I've got a lot of air bubbles. So I'm starting off with, this is a mix of Amsterdam permanent blue violet and a red, which is Napathol red medium. I put the Napathol red medium in there because the permanent blue violet was a transparent color. And that made me a little nervous, because this next one, which is Prussian blue violet, I believe is what Amsterdam calls it, is also transparent. I'm going to try to go sparingly with that one. And then these next two are not Amsterdam. I've got a silver, which is Soho. And then I've got a pearl, which is raspberry, I believe it's raspberry pearl mica from Arteza. Just gonna take my stick and run some white through there. I'm gonna pour a little bit of black, not black, this is Payne's Gray, sorry, on this side. And a little bit of white on this side to help it move. I'm going to pop the air bubbles, and I'm going to cross my fingers that I don't hate this one. The hairdryer anymore, but I do think I want to blow it out a little bit, so I'm gonna put this on pause and fiddle with it for just a moment. Yeah, I like it. Not mad. Still a little busy, but that's okay. I've done worse. So let's see how it dries, and we'll be back. brought this downstairs on my sofa because I was trying to get some natural light. So it's still a little overcast today. But I really like how this came out. I also kind of wanted to see if I could show you guys the shimmer of that pearlescent Arteza and the Soho paint. So pretty. So I'll take you in for a closer look of some of my favorite spots. The cells kept their shape, and overall I'm really happy with it. Still aiming for that little bit more minimalistic look, but I'm really happy with how this one came out. I'm not gonna say that I got the hang of it because you'll see in a video coming up that I tried again with the leftover paints and I ended up scraping up half the canvas. But it's okay. It's always fun. I love that little bit of blue right there. Oh, gorgeous. Anyway, I think I'm gonna send a message to Molly's Artistry just because she's fairly responsive and she works with Amsterdam a lot, but I think these little pockets here, that might be from too much paint, or maybe it's because I mixed it and then painted with it right away. I'm thinking it's too much paint, but we'll see. I'll let you know what she says if she responds. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.